How to delete everything on your laptop or PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to delete everything on your Windows 11, you might have to hard reset your Windows. In order to do so, here is the process. So first and foremost, head over to the search bar and type in settings. Once you are on settings, from the left side panel, select on the option of system. Once you tap on system, you will land to this page. Scroll down and you will find recovery section. Tap on the button and then scroll down to find recovery option. Tap on reset PC option and select on second option of remove everything. This way you will see getting things ready option and you will select how would you like to reinstall Windows. You can either select cloud download or local reinstall. Select the option of your interest and tap on next. Tapping on next, you will land to another page. You'll have to confirm that you would like to reset the PC. And once that is done, everything on your laptop will be deleted and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.